Good morning, children. Today we are going to study problems based on combination of solids. Listen. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere with the same radius. The diameter of the base of the conical portion is 12 cm and its height is 8 cm. Determine the surface area and the volume of the toy. A toy is in the form of a cone. First one, cone mounted. This is a cone mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere with the same radius. Here the cone and hemisphere have the same radius. Hemisphere. Same radius. And what is the radius? Same radius. The diameter of the base of the conical portion is 12 cm. Radius is equal to 12 by 2, 6 cm. And its height is 8 cm. Determine the surface area and volume of the toy. Here hemisphere, its radius is also 6 cm. To find the surface area, first we have to find the surface area of these two. First one, CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA. Surface area is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. What is CSA of cone? Pi r L plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. But in the case of cone, we don't know L. To calculate r and h are given. L is equal to square root of s square plus r square equals square root of h 8 square plus r 6 square is equal to square root of 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. Square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter. So pi, the value of pi is 3.14 into r, radius is 6 into L, 10 plus 2 into 3.14 into r, 6 square. Take 3.14 common outside, remaining 6 into 10 plus 2 into 6 square is equal to 414.48 centimeter square is the surface area of the toy. Next, volume of the toy. Volume of toy is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Formula is volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 into equals 1 by 3 into pi 3.14 into r 6 square into h 8 plus 2 by 3 into 3.14 into r, radius 6 cube. Take 3.14 common, then 1 by 3 into 6 square into 8 plus 2 by 3 into 6 cube is equal to equals 753.6 centimeter cube. Second question. Question number 2. The given block is made of two solids a cone and a hemisphere. a cone and a hemisphere. If the height and base radius of the cone are, if the height and base radius of the cone are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter, respectively, and the diameter of the hemisphere is, and the diameter of the hemisphere is 10 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block. In bracket, use pi is equal to 3.14. Here the figure. Height 24 centimeter. Now listen. The given block is made of two solids, a cone and this is a cone and a hemisphere. If the height and base radius of the cone height and base radius of the cone are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Base radius 10 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively, and the diameter of the hemisphere. Next one is a hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to radius is equal to diameter by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 equals 5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block is the question. To find the total surface area, we have to find the CSA of cone, then base area of cone, then minus this base area of this hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere. Here these points are common. These are common for cone and hemisphere. So we take the base area of cone and subtract the base area of this hemisphere. So surface area, required surface area is equal to CSA of cone plus base area of cone minus base area of hemisphere which is in contact with base area of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So this is CSA, this base area, and subtract this the base area of hemisphere minus plus CSA of hemisphere. Here CSA, we have two radius. For hemisphere the radius is small and this cone radius is large. So we take this is capital R and this is small r. Then listen, first CSA of cone pi r L plus base area of cone. Base area base is in the circle shape. So pi capital R square minus base area of hemisphere pi R square plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi R square is equal to pi R L plus pi R square minus pi R square plus 2 pi R square is pi R square. Then here pi RL, we have to find the L, cone. L is equal to square root of S square plus R square. What is H? H is 24 square plus R, radius is 10 square is equal to 576 plus 100 is equal to 676 is equal to 26 centimeter. So pi 3.14 into R 10 into L 26 plus pi 3.14 into R 10 square plus 3.14 into R small radius 5 square is equal to 3.14 common 10 into 26 plus 10 square plus 5. 3.14 into multiplying this we get the answer pi RL plus 1208.9 centimeter square is the surface area of the block is equal to 1208.9 centimeter square. Next question. The height of the solid cone is the height of the solid cone is 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off from the top of it such that the base of the cone cut off and the base of the given cone are parallel to each other. If the volume of the cone cut and the volume of the original cone are in the ratio 1:27. Find the height of the remaining part of the given cone. Find the height of the remaining part of the given cone. The height of the solid cone is 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off from the top of it such that the base of the cone cut off and the base of the given cone are parallel to each other. According to the given condition, we can draw a figure. A, B, B, another cone cut off the C, D, and also CD parallel AB, and this point is O and this is O dash. The height of the solid cone is, this full height is, this is P. PO is equal to 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off. This PO dash is cut off and the base of the given cone are parallel. CD and AB are parallel to each other. If the volume of the cone cut and the volume of the original cone, this full cone and the cone cut off, are in the ratio 1:27. Find the height of the remaining part of the given cone. That means we have to find O dash is the question. For that, first we take PO is equal to 30 centimeter is the height H of the given cone. Then PO dash is equal to H is the height of the cone cut. Then OB is the radius R of the given cone. Then O dash D equals R is the radius of the cone cut. Then here these two triangles are the clearly POB and PO dash D are similar triangles. Clearly POB, triangle POB and triangle PO dash D are similar. Therefore, PO by PO dash is equal to first highest length OB by O dash D implies PO H, capital H by PO dash is small h is equal to OB capital R by small r. This is equation 1. Then given volume of cone cut divided by volume of original cone or given cone, original cone is equal to 1/27 equals implies what is volume of the cone cut off, small radius, 1/3 pi r square small h divided by 1/3 pi capital R square capital H is equal to 1/27. Now 1/3 pi cancelled, R square into H by H is equal to 1/27 implies R square by R square is R by R is equal to H by I. H by H. So this R by R is equal to, we can write this R by R is R square by R square is H square by S square into H by H is equal to 1 by 27 from 1. Therefore, H cube by capital H cube is equal to 1 by 27 implies H by H is equal to cube root of 1 by 27 is equal to 1 by 3. H by H is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, H is equal to, small h is equal to H into 1 by 3. But it is given what is H? 30 into 1 by 3 is equal to 30 into 1 by 3 is 10. So small total length is, this full length is 30 and this length is 10. So what is this O dash O? O dash O is equal to PO minus PO dash is equal to PO is 30 minus PO dash is 10 is equal to 20 centimeter. Our answer is 20 centimeter. Next question. Question number 4. The given figure shows the cross section of of an ice cream cone consisting of a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The radius of the sphere is hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter and the height of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. The outer shell A, B, C, D, E is shaded and is not filled with ice cream. AF equals DC equals 0.5 centimeter. AB parallel EF and BC parallel ED. Calculate 1. The volume of the ice cream in the cone The internal volume of the cone, the internal volume of the cone, including the hemisphere, cone including the hemisphere, in centimeter cube. Second question, the volume of the outer shell, the volume of the outer shell bracket shaded portion in centimeter cube. Give your answer. Correct to nearest centimeter cube. Correct to nearest centimeter cube. Now figure is given in the question. Hemisphere A, B, C, D, E, F. This 7 centimeter. This height 10.5 centimeter. Listen. The given figure shows the cross section of an ice cream cone consisting of a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The radius of the hemisphere is cone. The radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter and the height of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. The outer shell ABCD is shaded. Outer shell ABCD is outside part. ABCD is, this part is shaded. Clear figure is in your text. Also AB parallel EF, AB parallel EF and BC parallel ED. Calculate the volume of the ice cream in the cone. Volume of ice cream in the cone. The internal volume of the cone including the hemisphere in centimeter cube. Second, the volume of the outer shell shaded portion. The volume of the outer shell, that is the shaded portion. To find the answer, first what are the given quantities here? Here this is the diameter of the outer conical shell. Diameter of the outer conical shell. That is AC. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the outer conical shell is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Sorry, this is 7 and the thickness of this is 0.5 and this is 0.5. Diameter of the outer, this one is 7 and diameter of the radius of the, not outer, inner conical, this one is, this is 0.5, this is 0.5. So 7 minus 0.5 minus 0.5. 0.5, 0.5, 1. Minus 1. Minus 0.5 minus 0.5 is minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So the radius of the inner conical shell is 6 centimeter. Diameter of the, not radius, diameter of the inner conical shell is 6 centimeter and diameter of the outer conical shell is 7 centimeter. Now we have to write the radius, corresponding radius. A radius of the outer conical shell is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter and radius of the inner conical shell, outer represented capital R, radius of the inner conical shell is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter, small r. Then also given the height of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. Height of the cone h is equal to 10.5. Height of the cone is equal to 10.5 centimeter. In the figure, this one AB, FED and ABC. ABC and FED are congruent. Similar, ABC and FED are similar. Are two similar triangles. Therefore, height of inner conical shell is equal to shell divided by height of outer conical shell is equal to diameter of inner conical shell divided by diameter of outer conical shell. Height of inner conical shell is small h divided by height of outer conical shell is capital H is equal to diameter of inner conical shell is 2r and diameter of outer conical shell is 2 capital R. 2 cancelled. S by H is equal to R by R. So, small h is equal to H into R by R. What is H? Capital H is 10.5. 10.5 into small r is 3 divided by capital R is 7 by 2. 3.5 is equal to 9 centimeter. Then required volume of first question, required volume of ice cream is equal to internal volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. First one volume. required volume is equal to internal volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Internal volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi small r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi capital R cube. 1 by 3 into value of pi is not given. So we can take either 22 by 7 or 3.14. Then for cone R is 3 square, 3 into 3 into height of cone is 9 plus 2 by 3 into pi, 22 by 7 into sphere. What is the diameter of sphere is 7. So this is 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 5. The whole cube is equal to 174.69 is equal to 175 centimeter cube. 0.69 approaches to 5. Here this is greater than 5, so we add 1 to the left number. 4 plus 1, 5. 175 centimeter cube is the answer of first question. Then second, volume of outer shell. Outer shell is equal to external volume minus internal volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi capital R square h minus 1 by 3 pi small r square h equals 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square 3.5 square into 10.5 minus 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r 3 square into 9 equals 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 square into 10.5 minus 3 square into 9 is equal to 49.89 centimeter cube is equal to 50 nearest to 50 centimeter cube. Homework 20. Thank you.